Hi guys. I don't know how I'm starting this vlog, but I think I'm gonna start it here for my maintenance. Our homecoming is so boring. I'm mad I booked all these appointments. But right now I'm in Albany, but I'm about to go to New York City just to get my hair done. I'm literally going to New York City to go get my hair done, and I'm coming back to Albany. I'm trying to give up on wigs. I'm not trying to get lace fronts, hairstyles. Right now I'm in my sew-in, ponytails, quick weaves, braids. I wear nothing that has a lace front on it. I want on my head. And I want to get to know my natural hair more. I feel like doing my hair with wigs all the time, like I don't really get to like know how to take care of my natural hair and actually care for it. Like I don't. I just braid it down and put the wig on top. My bus is at 1:30 to the city, and it's 12:41. So I got like 20 minutes to get ready because I'm gonna walk to the bus place. It's like a 20-minute walk. I love walking. That's why I choose to walk, because the bus is free for me here, but I love to walk. Need to get my steps in. But I'm so excited for my hairstyle. I like wearing glasses to distract everything else I got going on. Like, just make the glasses the main focus, because obviously the hair ain't. I can't even do my edges because, you know, I don't want to put product on my hair. I'm so excited to get this ponytail though, I'll tell you that much, but I don't even know how this looks like. Y'all see how I was on time? Now I'm running late. It just, like, time is just so annoying. Like, how I went from being on time to running late so fast in like 5 seconds. Like, let me stop. I was dead laying down, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna get there right before my bus is about to leave. And it's kind of ghetto, so I don't think they're gonna leave on time anyways. It's the ghetto Chinese bus, so yeah, so baby, but just can never.
How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you.
She did it. Yeah.
You want me to, like controller. Yeah, like controller. Yeah.
Thank you. Over the wigs, y'all. We done with the wigs. Moving on up. I put my glasses back on for the touch of the glass, but this is me, honey. I'm back home technically, because technically I went home, but this feels more like home. I don't know what nail design I want to do. My nails look a little crusty. Don't stare. When in doubt, Pinterest is that girl. So this is cute, because I was thinking of my phone want to break so bad, y'all. Like, my phone want to break so bad. I'm not letting go of this 13 Pro. What number we on now? 17? I ain't letting go of this 13. I don't care. This is cute, guys. I'm not gonna lie, because I did black French before, and I, like, you know, you be forgetting when you do stuff. I seen a memory of me having black French, and I was like, nah, the black French was really tea. Like, so I decided I wanted to do black French, but like, what type of black French I want to do, because this is tea. This is so cute. The wind tore my hair up.
When I'm lonely, baby, it's like my friends don't know me. Girl, it used to be my home. Got me with a leash, she saw me. Even the trees get lonely. Left me here, in the morning.
Me love it. I'm about to go to class. My hair, I've been fighting it all morning, and I'm just done fighting. I'm done. Cut this show.
Take me off. Take me off. Cut the show. I'm done. Can you make that?
Ooh, it's chilly out here. It's very chilly. Hello, good morning. It's gonna be a good day, guys. Oh, damn, the sun is the other way once again. Let me see it.
Thank you.
Okay, but I'm about to rush to class. I'm late as hell, but it's okay because the professor do like iClicker questions, and the iClicker questions be at the end of the class. So as long as I'm at the end of the class, I'm gonna get marked for attendance. I did see some posts. It was like, college is not about going to class and learning. It's about making sure you're there for attendance. Especially for a class that do take attendance. That's all I care about. I don't understand how to keep my hair like flat, like my natural hair. So I don't know, I'm confused, but very cute. It's definitely very cold. I'm definitely not dressed for the weather. It's given I need to back out my maquillage. I'm at the nail salon getting my toes done. I went to class and the professor wasn't even at the class, so she could have just let us go do it on Zoom, but no, she let us physically wake up and go to class, and she wasn't even in class. So I have one more class after this that I'm gonna go to. I have an exam in that class, so right now I'm studying for my exam. So clocking in. The wind is eating my hair up. See that? Okay, but yeah, I got my toes done. I don't really like them. I don't like how she did them, but I still tip. Cause I feel like being a black person in the world, like, it's so hard because, like, I don't be wanting to tip people sometimes, but I feel like I have to tip because they feel like black people don't tip. But like, I shouldn't even care about that. I should have just tipped based off the service. But she also did try because she had to redo my toes because she did some messed up stuff herself and she redid it, and I respected that because, like, she could have just left my shit to be how it was. And then also there was somebody in there with Down syndrome, and it was so nice to her. They put on her shoes for her and everything, and I was like, that's so real. So that's what made me want to tip. But it was like, I don't like my toes, I'm not gonna lie. I discovered this new drink, this salted caramel boba. Right when I decided I'm ready to quit sugars, I got introduced to a new drink. So good. I can't not drink it. Amazon really got the big bucks because they really got everything, and I just, like, the first thought is always to go order on Amazon, and I don't like that sometimes. Sometimes I want my first thought to be like, let me go to the store to see if the store got it. But my first thought is always, let me order it off Amazon. And I feel like Amazon really took away from, like, us physically getting up and going places. Because if you're not going to the places to go get the stuff that you need, you're sitting on your ass and letting it come to you. And yeah, that's cool and all, but then you sitting on your ass for 5 days straight. She ate my eyebrows up. This is why I love going to the people in the city, because in Albany they be funny with it, but in the city she's consistent with it. Y'all see that? I love that, like, 2016 eyebrow look ish. Amazon be fast with it. Like, it's scary. Like, how you can order something one day and get it the next day? Like, but let me see what I got. I need some halal marshmallows. Hey, cause no oink oink for me. No oink oink for me. A moo moo. I got me a moo moo. A cheetah print moo moo. A dark brown cheetah print. But it's cute though. I love just feeling like my cute self again. Like, I missed it. I miss having my nails done. Like,
can't let him hit it, cause he trying to tell the business. Won't fuck him, won't suck him, can't kiss him.
I just got my lashes done. Love it. Thanks by Isis Who. And she did not disappoint, not even a little bit. So I found out that I like C curl, because normally when she do my lashes, she do CC curl. I just like the fact that it's not too high, so it's not covering my eyelids. You know what I'm saying? But right now I'm about to go to the movie theaters to watch the Demon Slayer movie. I'm really excited to watch it because I haven't been able to. I'd ride over you, girl.